Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add image carousel in your divi WordPress website. So let me log in into my demo website. Just you can add /wp-admin to log in into your WordPress website. Then after that you need to get a plugin. Here you can see elegantthemes.com. Here you can get this plugin Divi SuperMe Pro. And after that I can upload the plugin file. Then let me select the plugin. So guys, here you can see SuperMe Modules Pro for Divi. You will get this type of file. Then you can easily upload that file in your WordPress website in the plugin sections. And within next few seconds, the plugin will be installed, and then after that we will be activate this plugin. So let's see how it works. Okay, now you can see plugin is installed. Just activate the plugin. Then here we got notification to install free variant. Just install it and then activate the plugin. Now let's go back to the pages, and here we can view this page on the front side. Now here you can easily enable Divi Viewer Builder. So when you install Divi WordPress theme, then you will see this enable viewer builder on the top of every page. And after that, now let's add a new section. Okay, now let's scroll down and just find out plus icon to add a new section. Simply click on blue icon to add a new regular section. Then here I can select this row. Then search for image carousel. Okay, here you can see this is the Divi module that we can use. Then upload the image. Now you can see images are uploading. Then select images. And after that scroll down. Here you can see order by. So this is just for random and this is default order. Then image size, lazy loading, then carousel setting. So you can select how many images that you want to show. So by default selected 4. Then you can increase or decrease slider speed. Okay, these are the options. If you want to hide arrows, just you can do that from here. Show pagination. Here you can see these are the dots. You can also hide that. Then you can go to design tab, layout, top, bottom, center. Then carousel settings, slideshow image. You can add some border around the image.